Welcome to Cook Garden and Life. My name's Devin Sheffield. Today I'm going to teach you how to make pizza on a stone. All right, so we got cornmeal down on our cutting board. What we're going to do is we're going to pad out our dough until we've got a nice circle. Just use your fingertips and push it out to the side. Didn't make my own dough for this. I've just been buying dough at Winco. It's really cheap. It's like $1.40, and honestly, it's easier than making the dough yourself. But if you guys want, we could teach you how to make dough in a separate video. Today, we are just making a Hawaiian pizza, and then we're gonna make a meat pizza with veggies on it, just for kicks. So for our first pizza, we're gonna do a pineapple Hawaiian style pizza. And I know what you're thinking. If your name's Mike and you're from Chicago, hey, fruit doesn't go on pizza. But here's the thing, Mike, tomatoes are fruit. That's a fact. So we're gonna do it anyways. And we got Hawaiian ham, I've got parmesan, mozzarella, garlic, bacon, and red onion. So it's gonna be super simple. I've also got basil and fresh oregano straight from Devo's garden. Let's throw this together. All right, guys, so we've got the pizza dough on the stone here. Now, the thing about the stone is we put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees before we pulled it out to put the dough on top. Then we put a little cornmeal in there. The reason we do that is because in the end, your pizza is way crispier if you start with a hot stone. This is my homemade marinara sauce, straight out of Devin's garden. The date on it says 6/26/20, so I made this in June. And that's the sauce we're gonna put on a pizza, because it all starts with good sauce, eh? All right, I'll quit doing the jabroni accent.
No, do it.
No? Okay.
No, keep doing it.
No, I'm not gonna do the lumberjack.
Remember, I still have to edit this thing.
I need it done by Thursday. I know you're not doing shit. All right, so here comes the sauce. Let's put it on the dough, huh? Now, don't get too crazy. You really just need a light sauce as the base for your pizza. You're not making a soggy pizza here, people. Next thing that goes on a pizza is your mozzarella cheese. So we're gonna throw some mozz on there, and I'm also gonna add some fresh basil from the garden and some fresh oregano that I've got chopped up for us right here. This is just gonna add to our sauce and the overall flavor of the pizza. And hey, while we're at it, let's throw some garlic on there just to spice things up. Because you can never have enough garlic. And I don't care, there's not an argument to that. Look, it keeps you from getting killed by vampires. It tastes delicious. What's not to like about garlic, people? And hey, just for fun, let's throw a little Parmesan on there too while we're at it. Got some parm, got some fresh herbs from Devo's garden. Now I made my mozzarella nice and chunky, so it doesn't have to be spread too out. It's gonna spread itself out in the oven. I like a nice chunky mozz. All right, bada bing, bada boom, we got the mozz on there, all right. Okay, keep it moving along. Now, I think this is important on a Canadian bacon and pineapple pizza. It's called bacon. Let's do some bacon bits over the top.
So is it Canadian bacon or Hawaiian ham?
Look, if I'm drinking a Molson Ice while I put the bacon on, then it's a Canadian bacon and pineapple. If I'm drinking a Longboard IPA, it's for sure not Spam. Nothing I'm using today is Spam.
It's not Spam.
You're gonna love it. It's not Spam.
It's Hawaiian ham. It's not Spam.
You can buy Hawaiian ham at the grocery store, and that's actually why it's a Hawaiian style pizza, because someone was like, I've got Spam, I've got pineapple, I've got dough, here we go.
Wait, is it Hawaiian ham or Canadian bacon?
It's Hawaiian ham.
So does a Hawaiian pizza have Canadian bacon?
All right, I'm gonna do some red onions on this international Hawaiian pizza. Now for the most important ingredient, the Hawaiian ham.
From Canada, the Canadian Hawaiian ham.
I got this Hawaiian ham at the grocery store in Las Vegas. My aunt got me these oven towels. They're actually from Hawaii, unlike the ham. But it definitely said Hawaii on it. Does not smell like Spam. Yeah, that looks better. I'll just put more ham over it. All right, now that I got the ham on there, I'm gonna throw a little bit more cheese on this bad boy. I got some mozzarella. I like the cheese. I do a little cheddar for the top, for the finish, just for funsies. And now for the ingredient that separates pizza lovers all across the world. And you can like or not like. Tell us in the comments below. Pineapple. Definitely Canadian pineapple. Pineapple. We have finished building our Canadian bacon pineapple Hawaiian International Superstar Pizza. And we're gonna pop it in the oven for 18 minutes at 400 degrees. Alexa, set alarm for 18 minutes.
18 minutes, starting now.
All right, let's do this. All right, Alexa tells us the pizza is done. Let's do it. Hey, that's a pretty good looking pizza right there, huh? Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. All right, let's look underneath here. Boom. Nice crispy crust. That's what you're looking for, and that's why you put the stone in the oven early so that your crust comes out nice and crispy like that. That's a beautiful looking pie right there. Now let's whip up another one real quick. This is gonna be more of a traditional pizza. Okay, here we are on our second pizza. This is gonna be a more traditional style pizza. I've got roasted red pepper, I've got garlic, onion. We're gonna do bacon, sausage, Hawaiian ham.
This again.
And pepperoni and parmesan. Right now, I've got the garlic, a little mozz, I've got our fresh basil and our fresh oregano from the garden. We just need to add some more mozzarella, more cheese. And we're at the end here, so I'm gonna use all the remaining mozzarella, except for maybe just a little bit to put on top there. I'm gonna use the rest of the bacon from our international pizza. And then I also grilled up a bunch of sausage, and I totally grilled up that sausage in the bacon fat, because America, yeah! Canada. Oh yeah, I'm totally wearing a very Canadian outfit today.
Using Canadian bacon.
Using Canadian bacon Hawaiian ham. Let's add some pepperoni, huh? Let's spice it up a bit. This is definitely gonna be kind of a meat pizza. Definitely a crowd pleaser for the family at home. Just drop that pepperoni there, it's cool.
This video is gonna be called The Culturally Confused Chef Makes Pizza.
Makes pizza. Man, I was a dishwasher, a prep cook. I've been a lot of places in the kitchen. I tell you, I worked at a restaurant in Montana and so many Rocky Mountain oysters. Man, did I peel a lot of those. No joke. Hey, let's...
What are those?
Rocky Mountain oysters?
Yeah, what are those?
Them's cow balls. All right, let's throw ham on here, because why not, right? We threw all the other meat on here. We're gonna put some veggies on this for real. We got onion. Then I got roasted red peppers that I also roasted in the bacon. Fat, because man, Canada! All right, we're gonna do a little fresh parm on top here to top it off, really get it on the edges. Just trying to bring this pizza together here by the effect of melting. All right, guys, there you go. We got a pizza. You could actually add mushrooms and olives to this to really give it a couple more vegetable toppings there if you wanted to. But we're just gonna leave it meated up like this with just the roasted red peppers on top. And I'll see you guys at 400 degrees in 18 minutes. Alexa, set alarm for 18 minutes.
18 minutes, starting now.
Now that we got that pizza in the oven, I can't tell you guys how much I love my pizza stone. It is definitely the key secret ingredient in making your pizzas come out nice and crisp the way that you get them at your normal pizzeria. So check out the comments below. I dropped a pizza stone down there for you to check out on the old Amazon so you can get one for yourself. And I'll see you in a little bit here, and we should have 2 pizzas ready to go. All right, we just got the alarm on our Mozza extravaganza pizza. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. That is indeed an extravaganza of a pizza. Lift the crust up here. You can see underneath, it's all nice and crispy. And that's what you get when you use a pizza stone effectively by preheating it in the oven before you put the dough down on it. I hope you enjoyed watching us make both of these pizzas. I sure had a really good time. Thanks for watching Cook Garden and Life. My name's Devin Sheffield. Please subscribe and tell us what your favorite pizza is in the comments below.